Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Kia Rio gas tank. First, you'll need to locate the fuel door release lever inside your vehicle. This important lever is typically found on the driver's side, usually on the floor near the seat or the door sill. It's a small, often black, lever designed for easy access. Finding it is the first simple step to getting ready for your next fill-up. Once you've located the lever, the next step is to activate it. Simply pull the fuel door release lever firmly upwards. You should hear a distinct click, which confirms that the fuel door has successfully unlatched. The door will then pop open slightly, giving you easy access to the fuel cap. This simple action is all it takes to get the door ready for refueling. With the fuel door slightly ajar, gently push it open completely to reveal the fuel cap. To remove the cap, turn it counterclockwise until it loosens and comes off. Most Kia Rio models have a convenient holder for the fuel cap, often attached to the fuel door itself. This prevents the cap from dangling or getting lost while you refuel your vehicle. Now you're ready to refuel? Insert the fuel nozzle into the tank and begin filling up your Kia Rio. Once you're finished, replace the fuel cap by turning it clockwise until you hear at least one click, ensuring a secure seal. Finally, close the fuel door by pushing it firmly until it latches securely into place. You're all set for your next journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.